In the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Nikes in the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher.
Hey, lace 'em up, lace 'em up, lace 'em up, lace 'em. Blue suede shoes stay crispy like bacon. Nikes on my feet make my cipher complete. I stay shining like the lights on the street in the night. Reavers take me shopping when I'm up in New York. Hit the shoe store, go and cop a few more. You at the mall getting dinner at the food court. I'm in LA eating 22 course. Young boss, bitch, paper in my pockets. I got a closet filled with shoe boxes. Mom said my spending habit a little bit obnoxious, but a pilot stay fresh up in his cockpit. Used to rock hand-me-downs, now buy some clothes, wear them out. Hit the club, bitches pull their cameras out. Living in a dream, they beginning to believe. My hotel smell like cigarettes and weed. Shit, with what I'm spitting, they should give me a degree. Good liquor, what I'm sipping isn't cheap. Finna blow, don't snooze, don't sleep. All I really need is some shoes on my feet.
In the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Nikes in the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete.
I make them so mad, they got no swag. Pippins on my feet, they the throwbacks. Look, my money good, but these hoes bad, so they stay attached to my gonads. Waking up to a few L's. Open up my closet to that new shoe smell. I guess I'm doing well. Smoking all the weed that I used to sell, but once my album goes in the shelves, it's going next. Tell how it's finna sell. For now, we're selling tapes out my shoebox. Any spot, just set up my shop. You're mad that your girl always says that I'm hot. She buy my t-shirts, but she's spending your guap. Say what up if you see me around. Nike and separate my feet from the ground. It's just
Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. In the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete.
Kids, yeah. I'm just high where they hating on me. People tend to think all the drinks on me. I don't even have the money to spend to buy Patron for you and all your friends. Baby, I be on my grind, rain, sleet, snow, rolling up good every place we go. Cause we try and get high, get high, get high, get high, get high. Know the bullshit and all the problems, but we too gone to see a little bit of this and a little bit of that. We proceed to give them what they need. Just waking up, they getting stoned. Rub my eyes and check my phone. Open up the fridge to make some waffles, but no more sip left in my bottle. Damn, well it's okay. I'll top it off with scrambled eggs. Hey, gotta work what you got. Hey, gotta work what you got. Supposed to be in class, but I ain't going. Let's chill on the couch. See what's on the telly, girl. We won't leave the house. Can you stay a while? Can you stay a while? Cause girl, I'm feeling lazy and I'm trying to hang around. Ain't trying to get out of my bed till noon. Neighbors smell the perfume, smoke in my room, and I got the door closed. Can't be sure though. Amsterdam weed, spend the euros, get the euro. Let's relax, take your shoes off and kick it back. We escape the world, escape the stress, but I don't give a fuck if the house a mess. Cause we gon' handle that later. We gon' handle that later. Right now let's get this paper and smile for all them haters. Hey, cream cheese in a bagel, have a glass of milk and an Eggo. I'm rocking PJs and no shirt. I smoke weed, eat yogurt. Enjoy the best things in your life, cause you ain't gonna get to live it twice. They say you waste time asleep, but I'm just trying to dream. Supposed to be in class, but I ain't going. Let's chill on the couch, see what's on the telly, girl. We won't leave the house. Can you stay a while? Can you stay a while? Cause girl, I'm feeling lazy and I'm trying to hang around.
Hardcore pound fucking.
No.
That's my shit right
Hell
there.
yeah, yo, that's the only way to do it, man. It's that boom, boom, boom,
Yeah,
man.
Yeah. I know, but there's a difference between making love, having sex, and then fucking.
Right.
Dope shit like that, Joe. Oh, hi. Welcome back to kids. Follow your dreams. Yeah. Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball, mirror hanging on the wall. Who the flyest white boy of them all? Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubble